Absolutely, I'm very excited for the evening, and I'm here, and let's see what's there in store.
So how do you take it as one of the finest hosts of India? So do you take it as your criticism, praises? How do you take that?
Am I the finest host? I just got to know that. Yeah. Thank you so much for the compliment. Well, I never think about that. Yeah. I just believe in my work. I just like to work, and obviously feels good that friends like you give me this compliment, and I just like to work here. That's about it. So I never think about all this.
But a day before yesterday, you rocked the floor somewhere on a musical award function.
Yeah, people were really happy, and I was surprised to see that people were sitting till 1 o'clock in the night. So that's really encouraging. Felt very good, and what can I say? Because I don't think too much on stage. I just like to be myself, and I just enjoy myself.
But Manish, how important is for a person to be glamorous and stylish?
I totally believe in glamour. I love to dress up well. I like to be a little stylish in life. I think that adds to your personality. For example, let's say if people are witty, people are funny. If they dress up well, they look nice. That adds to their work.
But if you get a chance to choose or pick one out of two, one would be glamorous or second would be stylish, what do you personally prefer?
In the sense, come with the question again, sorry.
दोनों में से एक choose करना पड़े, being glamorous or being stylish. तो आप personally क्या choose करेंगे?
I think both complement each other. If you're stylish, you add glamour to that. I think if you give me a choice between being witty and being stylish, I think witty is more important for me.
But if I give you one more option, that would be being trendy or being comfortable. What would you?
Comfortable, absolutely comfortable. Yeah. I believe in comfort.
Can I just answer why being comfortable? Not
Yeah, if I wear something trendy which is not making me look comfortable, I think that will keep irritating me for a while, and after some time I won't be myself. So I would hate to do that. I would like to wear something which I'm comfortable in.
But Manish, now you have been explored yourself in all different ways, whether it be hosting, whether it be movies, whether it be television. So what's next?
I don't know what next.
But something that can tell it.
I think maybe I would like to write a book one day. ये आजकल नया कीड़ा मुझे चढ़ा है because I've started reading a lot. I used to read, but I've started reading more nowadays. So the more I read, I feel like one day I should write a book. So let's see.
But Manish, there's pros and cons of everything. And yesterday also there were news or reports that you published saying that जब Manish Paul hosting कर रहे थे, Arjun Kapoor did not wanted to come on stage. You share a stage with that.
Yeah, यार बड़ी बकवास सी न्यूज़ थी ये because I'll tell you honestly, you can ask Arjun. Arjun was very much there with me. I in fact read it somewhere in the paper that I was standing in a corner. I don't know who wrote it. I think he or she should have attended the award night to know the truth. Arjun and me, we are good friends, and I think Arjun quoted saying that he was very much there, and he was never there to host the award night. He was there to present 2 awards, and he did that very nicely, and I think we had a great time on stage.
I'm not going to take much time because last but not least, लेकिन ऐसी सब जब भी खबरें पब्लिश होती है जो जिसमें कोई factual information नहीं होती है, तो how do you react on a situation? How do your family react on a situation? Or how do you deal with a situation like this?
We don't react to these things. I think I don't like to react. I like to respond, which is very important. Reactions come very quick. I think I like to respond to these things, but frankly I just avoid these things. It's totally their call. Whatever they want to write, it's their call, it's their work. I still respect them.
Superb. Outstanding. What are holy plans this year? Wishes क्या देना चाहेंगे? कुछ करना चाहेंगे होली लोगों के लिए? It would be outstanding.
यार I wish मैं होली पे ज़्यादा कुछ करता. I frankly don't play होली too much because I feel वो कलर जो लगता है वो निकलता बड़ी मुश्किल है. So that irritates me a little. तो मैं वो ज़्यादा नहीं करता. But yes, we all friends get together, we go to a friend's farmhouse, we just relax, enjoy there. So इस बार भी वही plan है. We all will get together, we'll enjoy Holi, and I would like to wish everybody and their families a very happy Holi. Play safe and colorful Holi.
Thank you so much for the
Thank you, sir.
Sorry?
Thanks, sir. Thank you. You asked nice questions.
Holy plans.
Holy plans, I'm shooting, yeah.
Thank you. I'm wearing a Namrata Joshipura, and this is supposed to be a jacket dress with a belt.
स्टाइलिश और ग्लैमर में से क्या रहना पसंद करते हो आप, स्टाइलिश या ग्लैमर?
मेरा पर्सनल स्टाइल बहुत ही क्लासिक है और आई प्रेफर कीपिंग इट सिंपल, कीपिंग my outfits as comfortable as possible, but still trying to make a statement.
But if you get a chance to pick one out of two, one would be being glamorous, second would be being stylish. Personally, what would you prefer?
Being stylish.
Why?
I just think it defines a person's personality more, and I also believe that being glamorous can also, like, you can look glamorous wearing a full sleeve t-shirt or like being fully covered, so you don't really have to be glamorous when you show skin, and it's your personal style that defines glamour.
Holy plans this year?
Sorry?
Holy plans this year?
I'm going to be shooting, so I don't have any plans this year.
So only the wishes for the viewers.
Hey guys, this is Kajal Agarwal, and I wish all of you a very happy and safe Holi. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
You're done, guys? Wait.
Hi, how are you? Okay.
Really, how excited are you for the evening? Glamorous and Style Awards.
I think really excited because Filmfare, it's their first year, so we should really push them because I think this award is going to go a long way ahead.
Neetaji, how important is for a person to be stylish and glamorous?
I think आजकल बहुत ज़्यादा stressed है on being stylish and on being glamorous but I think at the end of the day clothes ये define नहीं करते, आपकी personality define नहीं करते, आप क्या हो as a person. At the end of the day वो सिर्फ clothes है, वो ये नहीं define करते कि आप क्या हो as a person.
Personally, if you get a chance to choose one out of two, one would be glamorous, second would be stylish. Personally, what would you do?
Glamorous also. I think both maybe being glamorous and stylish.
तो यारिया 2 बन रही है सब लोग tell us something like यारिया
I don't know यारिया 2 बन रही है कि नहीं. I'm just making my second film Sanamre right now.
what are your holy plans?
Holy plans, I think to sleep through the morning.
What are the wishes for the viewers here?
A very very happy Holi to all the viewers. Thank you.
Yeah. Excited for the evening, Imran?
Very excited tonight, yeah. I'm a little nervous. My daughter has not been feeling too well, so I didn't want to come out, but kya kare?
But Imran, how important is for a person to be stylish and glamorous?
Yeah, I think that if you go out and you're meeting people, the least you can do is look presentable.
But what about the external beauty that would be through communication apart from being?
Of course, I think it's very important. It shows respect for people when you go out to meet them that you dress decently. You have a bath, you brush your teeth, वगैरह.
But if you get a chance to pick one out of two, one would be glamorous, second would be stylish, what would you personally do?
I think style, because yeah, glamour is one of those things which I think people get a little carried away with. Style is your personal statement. It's who you are. It's an extension of your personality.
But Imran, I would like to ask you a question, and you yourself would be able to clarify that question because there were reports that tabloids and newspapers printing that your Ferrari is taking too much of noise, and that has created no other news all around your neighborhood.
Yeah, रात के 12 बजे तक मैं सो जाता हूँ. मेरी 8 महीने की बेटी है. I don't have the time to be sitting around in the middle of the night.
Enjoying being fatherhood.
I'm really having so much fun with it now. The first couple of months are obviously very difficult. Once he gets to the 5-month, 6-month age, that's where they become a lot more fun.
But Imran, your fans also been eagerly waiting for you, saying that हाँ इमरान अभी कुछ धमाका करेंगे, इमरान अभी कुछ धमाका करेंगे.
अरे यार मैं शूटिंग कर रहा हूँ, पिक्चर खत्म करके ही रिलीज करेंगे. I promise.
But there is something about that, please.
Right now we're almost done with the film. We've got about 20-25 days of shooting left. I think April तक पिक्चर खत्म हो जाएगी. September में रिलीज हो रही है. I'm having so much fun on this film because I'm working with Kangana for the first time and she's just so wonderful to work with. मैं निखिल अडवाणी के साथ पहली बार काम कर रहा हूँ. He is a great actor's director. So I'm really having a very positive experience on this film.
But Imran, personally, how do you deal with the situation where things have been published or rumors have been published as factual information? So how do you react on a situation?
यार मैं पढ़ता ही नहीं हूँ. अब आप अगर इस इंडस्ट्री में काम कर रहे हैं, if you're an actor, if you're a producer, anyway, if you're in this kind of a business, you know that people will write things, people will say things. आप उस पर ध्यान नहीं दे सकते. I don't have the time to give any attention there.
So last but not the least, any holy plans you have this year?
Holy plans, yeah, it's Imara's first Holi, so I'm really looking forward to that. I think it's going to be so much fun to have her there. थोड़ी बहुत rangoli, little bit of water balloons and all. We'll get to play with her and introduce her to a family tradition. I'm so excited about that.
What is your wishes here for the viewers?
कौन से wishes? Holi? Hi, मैं हूँ इमरान खान. क्या हुआ? अच्छा आप ही कैमरा को दूँ. इनका क्या होगा? हाय मैं हूँ इमरान खान और मेरी तरफ से आप सबको हैप्पी होली. थैंक यू.
आदिक कब? हाँ जी. हाँ. Still on Imran. We'll just wait for the thumbs up to finish.
excited for the evening tonight?
Absolutely, very excited for the evening.
But how important is for a person to be glamorous and stylish?
Sorry?
How important is for a person to be glamorous and stylish?
Well, I think that depends on the personality. Style is also a very personality-dependent thing. So, very important things, glamour and style, especially in the line of work we're in. But it should all come down to who you are as a person and how you like to identify as yourself.
But personally, if you get a chance to choose one would be being glamorous and second would be being stylish, what would you personally?
I think definitely stylish.
Why?
Yeah, I think stylish because again, it's my own identity. Glamour is not an identity. Glamour is a tag that's already given to somebody. But style is your own style. You know, I've got my style. Imran has his own style. Somebody else, third person has his own style.
So one more criteria, if you talk about being comfortable or being, trendy, what would you prefer?
I think comfortable for sure. I think it's important to be comfortable and trendy. You can't have one without the other. But I would definitely choose comfort over trend for sure.
Any holy plans you have?
Sorry?
Holy plans?
Holy plans. Just meet some friends, meet some family, have a good time. That's about it.
Lastly, the wishes for the viewers.
Wish you all a very happy Holi and hope you enjoy this Filmfare event.